Greetings and welcome back to Besiege. I'm the Pastafarian, and yeah, last time I did a little show off and kind of a review on this nice little physics game. And yeah, this will be the first actual episode of this, so let's head right onto the island of Epsilon, where we finished the two levels with the little cottage and the mill last time. So this time we go to the Old Howl battlefield and see what we can do here. So what is our goal? Our goal is to reach insignia, and oh, I think these might be, let me see and compare. Oh yeah, those are bombs. So I think let me actually test something out here with our overpowered siege machine, and I want to do this. I can't still. Oh. Yeah. Right. Let me test something out here. I wanted to say. So. Okay, these are indeed bombs I should avoid at any cost. Right, so our siege engine right here is designed to pretty much destroy that mill last time. So let's destroy the machine and begin from new. So I want a steerable machine, and I think the easiest thing to do is where is it? There it is. Boop boop. Build a very small machine. I don't know. I think I want to stir with the back. Yeah. Yeah, why not? So okay. Let me see here. So, this works pretty well. Yeah. Oh god. Dang. Okay, I think we need some improvements right here. So, yeah, the steering hinge is not very stable, I guess. So, how can we improve that? Yeah. Let's just go another way. Let's try that. If I go left, right, here. Oh god. Oh. Yep. Okay. Again, if I go left here. Okay. Oh man. We lost our steering part. Okay. Right. This needs some rethinking on my end. How about we do this? I think this... Okay. Never mind that. Something pretty basic like this would actually maybe work. Okay. Well, it could have worked. Yeah, let's do some actual engineering then. So, yeah, the biggest problem with the steering is that it's uneven and that it stirs quite far away. So how about I make it like a four-wheel drive, so it could go in any direction. So yeah, let's try that. Oh, ha! This actually works quite well. Ha! Genius. Okay, I have no idea why that thing exploded right there. We didn't hit a bomb, but I think this worked pretty well. So, I like that. Go to next zone. We conquered this zone. So let's see what we got here then. Oh, an actual castle. Perimeter wall. And we need to do quite a bit of damage. So, I guess we need to rethink our engine right here. So, how about we do something like this for a general structure? We need to be quite stable. Oh, there's a bomb right here, which is quite good, I'd say. So, I need to make it steerable. So, we need to have those little steering hinges. Let's place it on the floor. Okay. Now, we want exactly one cannon right here. Let me test it out, if that would work when... Aha! As you can see, they shoot little arrows. That's quite cool. Okay, so when we destroyed that, I can pretty much destroy my machine by oversteering it. Right. Good. And yeah. Interesting how this thing works. Okay, so the steering needs some... I don't know, I think it needs some redoing, I guess. Yeah, let us use some flamethrowers. I like me some flamethrowers. Press Y to ignite. Okay, let's try that. So, C for this thing then. And, yeah. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I guess I set myself on fire right here. Okay, that's not what I wanted. So yeah, our biggest problem right here is indeed the steering. So, how about I move this thing up again. I erase these things because they can't move, or they can, the hinges itself seem to be able to move more than 180 degrees. And yeah, that is pretty much the problem, I guess. And to actually get rid of that, a hinge, a swivel joint, no. Flight, weaponry, powered, that's what I need. Motor wheel, on a steering hinge. So now it should be able to move more than 180 degrees. Hopefully, I guess. So let's place it on the ground again. Destroy that wall. And let's see now. Yep, it works. I like that. Yep, it well, kinda. Okay, I think I can do a cool thing by... Let me actually replace that again. Oh, key mapper, no. I need to replace these again. And these. And use the bigger blocks right here. Okay, and now what will follow is ba-boom, ba-boom, boom, boom. Put some wheels on that. And now, first of all, let that wall explode. We can now pretty much do this. And set that thing on fire. Dang it. And it didn't work at all. Okay. Well, so the flamethrowers didn't work as planned, so I have to ignite them a bit later. But I think the basic design works pretty well. So, yeah, let's explode the wall once more. And let's drive sideways. Yep, it works. It works. Muhaha, fear my flamethrowers. There we go. There we go. Nice. So this little siege engine is very good in moving, and we don't have the problem with the wheels destroying the actual structure. So let's go to the next zone and see what I can do there for damage. Oh, wow. Okay. I have an idea. So we need to fire in about 4 directions at least. So why don't we go ahead and pretty much overpower this whole thing. Can I don't want to rotate the machine. I pretty much want to... How do I rotate the actual thingies right here? Undo. Yeah, so first of all I can do pretty much this, but I want to destroy the this army as well. How can I do that? Okay, let's see first how this actually goes. And okay, the easiest thing is to burn to death, I guess. Oh, interesting. That okay. Our siege engine got pretty much destroyed, but by the fire that connected everything, we prevailed by accident. I think I'll take that, and let's get to the next zone then. Awesome. Okay, so what do we got here? Steal and deliver 2 iron ore. Tips. Press save to save a siege engine. Okay, so I guess we need to get this and that, which I find quite difficult. So let's destroy our machine again. I definitely want to have the machine we got again, but oh no, I don't want that. I want it more stable. We need to be... Oh, we need to steer. We need braces, a lot of braces. Right here, right there, here and there. So we got some more structural integrity. Yeah, and now, I think we can use the plow right here. The plow. So, yeah, I still don't know how I can actually turn that thing. So, I have no idea if that will actually work. Save engine, undo and redo, key map blocks and fine-tune parameters. Plow. Wow. That's it? Parameter tuning. Wow, that has done a lot, I guess. Anyways, let's continue then. So, I need to transport these things there. That's pretty difficult, I guess. Or... So, how about using some cannons for that? I just want to see if I can... okay, I can do that. Amazing how that thing tears itself up. Okay, so... Oh, right, because of the braces I placed, I can't use the steering as I used to. So... Okay. That didn't work as planned. So, I need to get rid of these. And I think then I can... Yeah, that's better now. No. I can't do much with that basic setup. I need to get these two boulders right here. Steal and deliver 2 iron ore. And I need to do it like that. So, a holder. We need a holder, I guess. So, I can hold things with that. Or, how about we make some sort of forklift like this? Ah, why not? I think that could work. Yeah, right now, of course, I'm just trying different things. Yeah, how about we use that? So, forklift. Aha! That's the first thing. Okay, if that is everything I have to do, I will modify the machine again, get rid of that holder, and instead I want to make a nice little weapon platform. So, oh, well, maybe do this, that, and this. And okay, let me get a little bit closer here. So a brace from here to there and here. So the basic idea behind this is to the forces and momentums that will apply when a cannon fires right here. The momentum will be the height of this thing times the force applied by the cannon. And I don't want this wooden block to break, because as we have seen, those things are not very stable or very durable. So I think these metal bracers will do a better job in actually holding that force. So yeah, I think that is good like that. And yeah, let's begin. So, we know that the forklift pretty much works, and yeah, I need to do this, right? Okay. I think, yeah, it would be nice if the camera would go in another direction when you actually face it. Okay. Aha! That was good. Haha! We did it! And as you have seen, the braces actually held the cannon in place. So, yeah, I call that a successful machine. And I think I will save that machine next time. Of course, I guess the episode time is already over. And yeah, I would say thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this game or this episode, more or less, please leave a like, as it always helps me out. And if you want to see more of me and my videos, then go and visit my channel and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an episode again. I hope to see you next time, so until then, yours faithfully, the Pestafarian.